Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, for the first you have to open the notification bar and right now click and hold the Bluetooth icon. When we are in the Bluetooth settings, you have to tap on the switcher to turn on the Bluetooth, and of course you have to do the same on this second smartphone. Oh, sorry, I just opened the edit menu. So let's open the Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth. And right now we are waiting for the available devices on our Mate 10 Lite or this second smartphone right here. And as you can see right now on the second smartphone, I got the HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite. So right now I can tap on it to connect, and right now I have to accept the pair. So let's wait for the notification and accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see right now, our smartphones are paired and we can easily send the data between them. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.